Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna learn how to make text glow effect in Premiere Pro. So without any delay, let's get started. First we have to write our text in Premiere Pro. I'm writing my text. Now I have to adjust my text. So I'm going to Essential Graphics. Now I am adjusting my text, and if you want to change your text font, text style, you can change from here. Now we have to go the effects panel. Now we have to search here drop shadow, and you can see the drop shadow here. Now drag and drop on our glow text, and we can see here the drop shadow. Now we have to set of distance, and we have to increase softness 10. Now we have to change our drop shadow color. Now I'm selecting the white color, and we have to copy the drop shadow. So you have to press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. Then you have to increase the softness 50. Then again you have to copy and paste the drop shadow over here, and you have to increase the softness 100. Then you have to copy again and paste here and increase the softness. Then again you have to copy the text and you have to paste here and increase that softness here. And you can see the glow effect is showing here. If you want to change glow color by one click, then you have to go the effect option here, and you have to search the tint effect. Here you can see the tint effect. Now drag and drop on glow text. Now you can see the tint option here, and if you want to change your glow text color, just you have to click here and you have to select your color that you want to change. Now press OK. Then you can see the text and glow color has changed. And if you want to add more glow on your text, then you have to copy again your drop shadow and paste here. We have to change our softness, and now we have to drag and drop shadow down the tint effect. If you want to more glow effect on your text, then you have to copy and paste again and just increase the softness here. Now our glow is ready. And if you want to change the glow color, then you can select any color from here and your glow color will be changed.